Hi guys, in this tutorial I want to show you how to enable collision static meshes and how to disable it. If you want to disable the collision static meshes or how to enable it. Okay, first thing first, let's see. Okay, this is my third person character. As you can see, there is no collision. It's passed through this mesh. Okay, how to enable this collision and block the access inside this mesh. Okay, select this one and go right here, edit. After going this, go here to search and search for collision. And this one we have collision presets, no collision, make it block all. And go down, change this one, use complete collision as simple. Okay, and let's see. Okay, as you can see, it works fine. Now I enabled collision in this mesh. Okay, how to disable it? Disable, select this one, this mesh, and go right here, edit, search for collision, and go here, no collision, and make this one project default, and hit save. Okay, and let's see. Fine, as you can see, it's passed through the mesh. Okay, thank you guys for watching this or for this tutorial.